Hello and welcome to History Pod. On the 21st of October 1805, the British Navy, under the command of Vice Admiral Horatio Lord Nelson, defeated the combined fleets of the French and Spanish navies in the Battle of Trafalgar. The War of the Third Coalition, which was part of the wider Napoleonic Wars, had seen the British Navy blockade France since early 1805. The enemy fleet, under Admiral Pierre-Charles Villeneuve, successfully managed to leave port during a storm, and this made Nelson keen to engage them. By the middle of October, Nelson had assembled his fleet off the Spanish coast at Cadiz, where Villeneuve had chosen to harbour. Realising his numerical inferiority to the combined French and Spanish force, and wishing to achieve a conclusive victory, Nelson developed a tactic that flew in the face of established naval battles. The combined fleet left Cadiz on the evening of the 20th of October and was quickly pursued by the British. By the next morning, they were just over 20 miles away from Cape Trafalgar, and the two fleets began to prepare for battle. Just before midday, Nelson's flagship, HMS Victory, flew the flag signal, "England expects every man will do his duty," and the battle began shortly after, with the British fleet divided into two columns that sailed through the French-Spanish line at right angles. During the mêlée that followed, Nelson was hit by a musket ball from a French infantryman on board the Redoutable. He died 3 hours later, but the British went on to win the battle. The Battle of Trafalgar secured British supremacy of the seas, and saw the victorious fleet sail away without having lost a single ship.